In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily accept and decline incoming phone call on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and when your iPhone is locked and you are getting a phone call, all you have to do is just drag this slider to the right to accept that call. That's how we can accept it by tapping right here. In any time, once we are done, we can end that phone call. And also, if your iPhone is locked and you wanna decline that call, all you have to do is just tap right here at power button for 2 times. The first time stops the notifications such as ringtone and vibration, and when we tap right here for the second time, it will decline that phone call. If your iPhone is unlocked, instead of slider, it will show us accept and decline buttons. So if we want to accept it, we need to tap right here. To decline, we need to tap at that button. And in the same way, we can decline a call if we double click at the power button. If you wanna incoming calls to be displayed as a banner here, then you need to head over to settings. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off, we need to open up settings. Then scroll down until you find phone. And here we need to get in the incoming call settings. That's where we can easily switch it to banner, and then when your iPhone is unlocked, it will display an incoming call as a banner. Now I'm going to show you how it works. As you can see, now the incoming calls displayed as a banner here. We can accept it, decline it, and if we want just to hide it, to stop notifications, we can just swipe it up. As you can see, our contact is still calling us. However, by swiping up, we can just mute that phone call without declining it, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.